Friends, in this video we are going to see how we can set this VPN code ZIVPN. As usual, we are going to first download it from our Google Play Store. We are going to search ZIVPN and we search that ZIVPN tunnel SSS DNS UDP VPN. After installing it, make sure to open it. In this video, I'm going to be specific on only UDP. This one, I'll specify on UDP only because UDP it is the protocol that works in most countries. Enable this UDP and then follow these procedures. Go back to your home screen page and open Google Chrome. If you open Google Chrome, you're going to type UDP custom. Then I'll check this. Then click on the first page on your Chrome browser and open that page. Check this one, the menu here. This button here in the top right corner, the menu. Click on that and here choose this one, the premium UDP. Click on that arrow that looks down, this one, and choose ZIVPN UDP server. After choosing that, make sure you select this location, and if you select the location, scroll down up to where you reach a page like this. Confirm that you are not a robot. Insert your name, mistake, the password 12345. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it to your friend. Click this button to create yourself a server right now and wait for 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Right here we have created successfully our UDP server. Then click on copy these credentials to configure your ZIVPN app. Then copy them to your clipboard. Copy and then open your notepad. Click here to add a new note and then paste. Maybe I didn't copy. Here are my credentials. If you don't copy, you are free not to copy. But let us go to now the application. Open the ZIVPN and then click on these 3 dashes on the top left corner, and then click here UDP tunnel settings, and then you're going to go back to the page, and the server IP is this one. We copy that one and paste it right here. We go back to the web, then we copy the password, then I copy it, I paste it right here where there is the password. After I apply, then after I'll check on this button to be able to successfully connect my ZIVPN tunnel. Those who were asking why I was using a Wi-Fi, it is because connecting or creating these servers need some data. Thank you guys for following. I remain Miles Tech. If it doesn't connect, make sure you let me know in the comment section. But this VPN works countrywide, all countries. Thank you guys for following. I sign out.